Hi, I'm Jin Yuna. I will show you some details about my homework. At first, I will create tables. We can see this empty table here. And in my homework, I have 3 files. One is DAO file, another is model file, and the last one is tools file. In the tools file, I have an inserter. This is inserter can help me to insert data in my database and test functions. Okay, I will run it first. We can see the results here. Take the users as an example. I create all the DAO instance here. And we have 3 functions about users. We can create users and get users by username and delete users. I create 6 users here. And this is the get users by username function. The result is the information about these users. We can see the results here. And then I create a user and I delete it. If the result is none, it means that I deleted is successful. Otherwise, it means that I failed. We can see the output here. We can see the user model. In the user's model, these are users attributes, and this is constructor, and this is getters and setters of these attributes. And in the user's DAO, we can see 3 functions. The first one is create users function. And the second one is get user by username. And the last one is delete user function. Okay, the next one is credit cards. It has 5 functions here. And the companies. It has 4 functions here. And restaurants. Restaurants is a superclass type. It has 5 functions here. And the next one is sit-down restaurants. I will take it as an example. So sit-down restaurants and takeout restaurants and food cart restaurants, they are subclass. So in the sit-down restaurant model, we can see sit-down restaurants extends restaurants. And we can see in the constructor, this is superclass attributes, and this is its own attribute. And in the sit-down restaurants DAO, sit-down restaurants DAO, it also extends restaurants DAO. We can see the fourth function, create sit-down restaurants. We will create a superclass before we create a subclass. So we create restaurants here, and then we insert sit-down restaurants attributes into database. The next one is get sit-down restaurants by ID. In the SQL statements, we have an inner join. And the third function is get his sit-down restaurant by company name. It will returns a list of sit-down restaurants. So we can see we have two output when we run this function. And the final one is delete function. So we will delete subclass and then we will delete superclass. Okay, so the next one is takeout restaurants and food cart restaurants. They are same like sit-down restaurants. We can see their outputs there. And the next one is reviews. We create reviews and get reviews by ID, get reviews by username, get reviews by restaurant ID, and delete reviews. We test all these functions successful. And recommendations and reservations, they are same like reviews. So by using inserter, we can test all the functions. Okay, thank you.